If you're dealing with a high-maintenance woman, you may feel overwhelmed by her need for attention and specific requirements. While a high-maintenance woman can be loyal and committed, she may expect the world to cater to her every whim, making it difficult for her to admit fault or apologize. Girls who are high-maintenance may complain excessively, have difficulty going with the flow, care a lot about appearances, and obsess over social media. They can also be demanding, holding themselves and others to high standards, which can lead to frequent disappointments. If you enjoy feeling needed and are open to being guided by someone with strong preferences, dating a high-maintenance woman could work for you. High-maintenance women may also be good partners for people who appreciate strong opinions and prefer others to call the shots. However, if you find it too challenging to cater to someone with exceedingly high standards, it's okay to move on and find a partner who is not so particular and appreciates you for you.